A special report by the Office of the Public Defender has recommended that the government compensate Rastafarian woman Nzinga King, who claimed her hair was trimmed while in police custody. Ms. King says the incident took place at the Four Paths Police Station in Clarendon on July 22, 2021. In February, the Director of Public Prosecutions recommended that no criminal charges be laid against the female constable in respect of the allegations. But the Public Defender's investigation has concluded that Ms. King's constitutional rights were violated and she should be compensated. The Public Defender also says she should be paid damages for the assault committed by the police. Another recommendation is that Ms. King's phone be replaced and her SIM card returned to her. The attorney representing Ms. King has said she will continue her pursuit of justice by filing a lawsuit following the DPP's ruling. Now, the DPP had said there was not enough evidence on which to pursue criminal proceedings and there were inconsistencies in Ms. King's statement.